Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasistha from CAD NEST Basavanagudi. So welcome to our CAD NEST YouTube channel. So we were discussing about advanced Excel. In today's class, let's study about this consolidate. So what are all we need to do this consolidation? So we need student name and all the 6 subject details, total, average, minimum and maximum. All these are necessary. So how to find this total cell? Just place the cursor on this total cell and then go to consolidate. So function. So in place of this function, let's choose sum and click on this reference cell and then come to this all references. Click on this reference cell and start choosing. Select the details of this Kannada cell and then give add. Then English cell details, add. Hindi cell details, add. Then maths, so science, so finally social. So give add and finally give OK so that it displays the details of this total cell. Then place the cursor on this average cell, then go to consolidate. So let's change the function here. We are doing average, so we have to choose the function average and then give OK. So here it displayed the details of this average. Click on this minimum and then go to consolidate. In consolidate again we have to change the function to minimum. So OK. Even maximum is also same. Here we have to change the function it as maximum. So finally give OK. Automatically it displays the details of this maximum. So this is how we do this consolidate. I hope you understood the session. Thank you.